Malak, what is this thing you said off camera about 10% return on equity? Break that down for me.
Bardia,
Okay.
you know,
Uh-huh.
this project is located in JVT, 500 meters from a mall, smart home system, very nice finishing.
Okay, okay.
Separate amenities on the podium and on the roof, separating the kids from the adults. It's an amazing.
Amazing project, right? Okay, so but this whole 10%, break that down for me.
Okay.
Okay.
As of today's stock, the studio starts 736,000.
Okay, cool.
Let's break that down.
Okay, cool,
Okay.
cool.
So, how much would a studio with this type of finishes rent in JVT?
Approximately 65, approximately.
Okay.
Okay, 65.
How much would the service charge be? Let's take that out.
Okay, so that's 487, 70 square feet, approximately 6K. So about 60,000 would be net. Okay,
Exactly.
60,000. But that's not 10%. You said 736.
Yes, but Bardia, that's return on equity.
Okay, what do you mean?
10%.
Is there a post-payment plan?
Until handover,
Uh-huh.
you have paid only around 515,000.
Ah, so it's a post-payment
Yes,
plan.
exactly.
Ah, okay, so 515, 60,000 net. Ah, that is
That's
10%
more than
return on
10%.
equity.
Yes.
Also more than 10% return on
Exactly.
equity. Listen, I'm loving it. Thank you so much for
You're
educating me.
most
Thank you so much. Great.